Hello guys, and welcome back for another episode here at Gathering Rust Hobby Farm. Today we're using the RK25 and the Backhoe 6.7, it's BH 6.7, and we're going to show you how to remove the backhoe. A lot of people were asking, and so I thought I'd do a little video to try to help you all out. So here we go. Make sure your pin is removed. Got the outriggers down and the backhoe on the ground. Next thing, I'll bring it inside so we can see down below. Okay, as you can see, I've already pulled this one off. This is just your outer arm, and there's a pin. Some people call it a hairpin. Okay, hairpin in the washer. This pin right here goes all the way through this and this, and just has a hairpin in the washer. Careful not to lose the washer. Once you remove that, this is just going to lift up and it's going to hang like that. There we go. That's a little better. You're going to pull this pin out. Again, I've already done it on the other side. We're over here. So we'll move on to the next spot. Okay, so far we pulled those pins out. We got the outriggers down, got the backhoe down. The subframe goes all the way up here, right there. So you can see, right there. When you remove that, you got to make sure it doesn't hit anything else. Bolt right here, this is where you gotta lower it down so it can get past this right here.
Okay, now you can see where that has come off of the cradle and underneath that piece I showed you just a moment ago. And we take it up front. This is where the subframe hooks into the front. It has come completely out of the cradle. Okay, now you can see the subframe here, the very front, where it's come out of the cradle. We want to lower that down and just use the backhoe pressure to lower that front part of that down. There it goes. Just like that. Now make sure your outriggers stay on the ground and are secure. So you can see where the front has gone down and is now clearing the bottom of the tractor.
Now we're going to pull the tractor out. Okay, so right here, you got where those came out of the subframe there, came out. You got these hanging. You got your backhoe. This is where it goes up in, right there. And then right there, that's your subframe. Goes up all the way up in. Right here, you're going to switch it to neutral. Neutral. We're just going to turn the key off. Okay, now we've turned the tractor off. We've got the subframe out from underneath the tractor. And all we have left are these hydraulic lines. Remember, we just changed that position of that lever underneath the seat to neutral. So these will just pop right out. See there? Pop right out. Same thing on the other side. Pop right out. And then put your caps back on. Just like that. And these, you're gonna put this piece back in there. Now the tractor comes with a shorter one when you take the backhoe off, but for now, our purposes here, I'm just gonna put it in. Kind of hard with one hand. There it goes. And because all the slop, I suggest you get the smaller one that came with the tractor. Put your washer and your hairpin back in and do the same thing to the other side. You'll be all set to go. Well, there it is, folks, and now you have it. There's really nothing to it, and anyone can do it. Takes a little time to get used to, but I hope that this video will help somebody, and if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them below. This is the RK25 with the backhoe. Right now I've got the pallet forks on the front, doing some stuff around here. So thank you all for watching here on Gathering Rust Hobby Farm, and we ask that you like, subscribe, share them with your friends, and if you have anything else that you'd like to see, this video was requested, so feel free to leave it in the comments or shoot me a Facebook message, or however you choose to communicate. We're always available for new, fresh, fun videos. Thank you very much.